Here is a good way to improve the look of your reflections using the ripple node in Fusion. In this example, I want to add a text that appears to be part of the metro station. This means that we need some reflections on the floor and on the train cards. Let's begin by adding the text. Copy the original text node, merge it, and flip it horizontally. Position it somewhere on the windows of the train and blend it. Now add a ripple node. Turn off the shine. And set the shape to horizontal. Apply a motion blur in the settings. Before we continue, let's add a quick reflection on the floor. Again, copy the original text, flip it vertically this time, and move it where you think it looks best. Add a blur node to blend it better. Now let's go back to the window reflections. Adjust the ripple settings to fit your scene. We need to fix the animation speed. In this clip, the train is not moving and then accelerates in a linear fashion, which means that we need to set the start of our animation to 0. At the end, set the key to what feels right. This looks fine, but I don't like that the windows and the grey metal frames around them reflect the text in the same way. Add a new merge node and copy and paste the original clip. Now we need an HSL key node. Cover pick the window frames. Untick the invert. Now more or less, only the windows reflect the text. Add a mask to the merge node to cover only the part of the clip that you need. We need to remove the window reflections when the train disappears. Just go to the settings in the HSL keyer and animate the blend from 1 to 0. I will put the link to the original video in the description so you can test out this reflection method yourselves and have some fun.